something very important happened. One person came up and said that, he just wants to go ahead and like make the best fragrance. Not every single time a person can just go ahead and say, hey man, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and make the best fragrance the first time. It doesn't always happen. Okay, just pretend for a few minutes that you want to be the best runner in the world. So you say, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and run in a marathon. So if a person who wants to go ahead and run in a marathon, that person needs to understand that in order for him to run in a marathon, first he needs to start learning to walk. There was a time he was not able to walk, he was not able to like even get up, but now here he is trying to go ahead and be the best runner. If you're gonna make a fragrance, start with something simple. It's okay, just come in, buy a few cents, make a small sample, and then show it to your friends, see what you got. And don't have to spend like millions of dollars the first time. Spend a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Come in, pick 3 fragrances, do a quick blend, put it in a bottle, add perfumer's magic, cap it up, spray it on friends, see what they say. If they like it, that's good. You have something going on. If they don't like it, at least you know that, okay, you tried, it didn't work, I need to fix something. They're gonna give you a feedback. That's how it works. We cannot just go ahead and expect the first time the fragrance to be the best. You have to go ahead and understand that first time you're gonna make something, it might not be very popular. It's okay. Well, the second time you're gonna do better. You're gonna say, okay, well, this is what they like. I need to go ahead and focus on this. I know this is my creation, but at the same time, it's for selling. It's to make some money. You're just gonna go ahead and make a product, and you're gonna make a lot of it the first time. What if it doesn't sell? It's just like saying, hey man, the first day I'm gonna start walking and I'm gonna go ahead and run for a marathon.